Hi, we will learn how to do special type of annotation in this video. Let's go to Camtasia. We will learn Lear, Annotation, Pixilate, Spotlight, Highlight, and I will dedicate a whole video for interactive hotspot. Let me place the playhead here. We place the playhead here to show you the first annotation type. I used the blur annotation to blur my eyes, and this is often used to hide the identity of the one who's speaking. The second one is also used the pixelation. Or if you wanted to highlight something, you can use the highlight annotation. One more thing, is the spotlight, where you have a spotlight on part of the image and the others are darker, so you are just highlighting or spotlighting this one, this image. How do we do this? Let's start. I will show you how we do it. We go to media, and I have prepared this for you already. We place the playhead here. It's already, let me chop it off, just take a little portion out from this one. Now, we already know how to do this. Let me do it one more time. I will remove a color. Visual effects. Remove a color. And I will choose the eyedropper, and OK. Then let me use tolerance and softness. Or actually I will show you one more method. I can play here a little bit. Now it's gone. See, I have a little green here. Let me see what can I do with softness. It's gone. We go to my media bin, and I have this background. See, it's cool now. Let me copy and paste this. Copy and paste one more time here. Now I have the background. Let me use the selection tool, edit tool. Looks fine to me. Let me go to annotation and go to special type of annotation, and this is the blur annotation. Let me place it here. See, I can blur the whole face. or just the eyes if you want to hide the identity of the speaker. Let me take a look now. Let me extend it a little bit more from the start of the video. This is done. Let me use the Pixilate effect. Let me place the playhead here and get the Pixilate callout. I can drag and drop here or here, anywhere you wish. This is the Pixilate effect. I'll place it somewhere here. And let me make it smaller. Let's play again.
There are a lot of things.
See, it's pixelated.
You can do.
The identity is unrevealed, it's hidden. Let me go to my media bin and get this image. And let me extend it. Let me place the playhead over here. Let me make the image bigger. We go to my media bin, select this image. Let me extend the image on the timeline and go to Annotation. We will select the Spotlight Annotation. And if I wanted just to put the spotlight on this feature, I can put it like this. And let's watch the image now. Let's watch it in full screen. See, it's only highlighting that you're welcome. It's highlighting your wedding live on the internet for free, which might be one of the features that you wanted to highlight. Attach canvas, and here the spotlight features the scale up and down, the scale, the opacity up and down, the opacity with the background image, and this is the rotation if I wanted it to rotate somehow. $45. Now look at it. What if I wanted to change the Z to 45 degrees? Just some idea you might want to use. Here is the intensity of the annotation. One last thing in this video, we will use the highlighter. Let's see. The highlighter is just like the highlighter that we use in our offices. The yellow highlighter, or you can change the color. Annotation properties, and you can change the color of the highlighter to green, for instance. And this is the opacity. You can even invert like this. Here, if you want to add text, but I will not delete it. I will delete it just to show you. And the size of the text, this will make it bigger. This is the alignment. This is the style, it's underline what. This is the alignment of the text. Here the scale is at 100%. If I want to make it bigger, look now. It's bigger or smaller. And this is the opacity. And also here is the rotation, here is the position. Look, if I change the position, those coordinates changed. On the rotation, let's make what we did last time, 45 degrees. Enter. And here let me do 45 degrees. Change the whole thing, the rotation. We go back. I only want this to rotate 45 degrees. So I will dedicate a video for the interactive hotspot. This is it for this video. See you in the next video.